students. I am your English teacher from LPM Public School, Gola, and today we will discuss the chapter of your literature, that is paddling boats, as is mentioned over here. And before this lecture, we were revising the grammar portion. So now we will come back to literature part. This chapter is all about the life of Kerala. Kerala is a very prosperous state of India, as you all know that. And different types of festivals are also there, that are celebrated during the harvest time. This time is very suitable for cultural and different types of festivals, activities, because when the farmer gets the benefit, gets the dividend of his labor that he has done through the entire crop season. When the crop comes at his home, then the celebration starts. So Kerala is also a state of India that constitutes a great place in the agricultural sector. So we will start this chapter as the 4 lines in red says that boat race are a popular event in Kerala, especially during the harvest festival of Onam. Onam is a festival that is celebrated in Kerala, and boat race is a practice that is enjoyed a lot during this festival. Because as you know that there are different types of water bodies in Kerala. Rivers are there, canals are there, because that is touching ocean. So God has gifted several types of natural sceneries, and that's why the people who are residing in remote places of Kerala enjoy during this Onam festival on the river banks. They organize different types of activities. So boat race is also one of those activities, and this chapter is devoted to this boat race and how a conspiracy is resulting. We will see that there is a small boy named Muktamanjal Puttan, young boy. He is eager to participate in the race, but he discovers a dark secret the night before the race. A boy is selected to row the boat. There is a long boat, and there is a team of different types of physically well-built person who are selected on the basis of their physical endurance, and they are participating in rowing the boats, and the boat that won the race is awarded, and the team who is rowing that are also awarded. So we will start this. That's the last fish sold. Come on, Sukumaran, let's go, and said Puttan, picking up his half-empty basket. There are two children. One's name is Sukumaran and another's name is Puttan. They are selling household goods. One is selling fish, another is selling coconut. As you know that coconut and fish both are abundant in Kerala. So one is saying that I have sold my last fish. No fish is left in my basket, so we should go. But the another boy said that I have only sold half of my coconuts. I have to sell the rest. Almost a dozen coconuts are left, so I cannot go home. I don't care, replied Puttan. Today I won't sit here till the last coconut is sold. I'm too excited. Now the boy who is selected to row the boat during the festival of Onam was very excited. He told that I will not wait for you to finish all your coconut. I will go because I am too excited. I have been selected to row the boat tomorrow. Kumaran looked at his friend a little enviously. How lucky you are to be rowing in the boat race tomorrow. Imagine you shall be famous, the youngest. Now Sukumaran, when he got to know that his friend is selected to row the boat tomorrow, he was very impressed. He told that you are very lucky because you are selected. Few people get this type of opportunity. So I am very happy that you are selected. You will be famous because you are so young, and everyone will notice you tomorrow. Again, lines are saying that Puttan was already stepping into his dugout canoe, which was strung together. with coir ropes. The two boys paddled away from the marketplace where the fisherwomen in gay colored saris balanced fish baskets on their heads as they shouted out the prices of dried and freshwater fish, coconut, and sea fish. Both of these boys are planning to go to the place where the race is planned. They are using a small boat that is made by carving the wood out from a single trunk. So that small fish is used for navigation through small canals. They are going to the markets and they are witnessing the fisherwomen who are wearing dark colored saris because they are connected to nature. Any person who is connected to nature always like to wear flashy and dark colors that are connected to nature. They are selling fish and they are carrying that basket on their head and they are inviting people to come out from their home and buy the product that they are carrying. They are fish sellers, coconut sellers, and some fish and other groceries are also there. Barefoot children, they are frolicking on swings tied between tall saying palms. Palm trees, a tree like coconut that is used for ornamental purpose, are abundant in Kerala, and the boys are also enjoying at their best because there is Onam festival. So they are just tying ropes and swinging. The backwaters are so crowded today in Sukumaran, everyone come from the races. As in our locality, people come to enjoy during Diwali, Holi festivals. Same way in Kerala, people come to their home, even from abroad, to enjoy this Onam festival. So everyone is happy. They are enjoying at the river banks where the race is about to take place tomorrow. Then the crowd began to thin out. Which boat do you think will win tomorrow? Shouted Sukumaran, turning his head back to where Uttam sat in the rear of the boat. Karichal 1 or Karichal 2. Two boats are there, named Karichal 1 and Karichal 2. That boats are very famous. They had registered remarkable wins on their name, and the person who is owner of that boat is named Karur Nilikatti Pillai. So both the boys are very excited. They went to see that boats named Karichal 1 and Karichal 2. Kuttan Karichal asked that which boat will win tomorrow. Karichal 1 will win trophy. Kuttan replied confidently. Kuttan is saying with confidence that Karichal 1 will win the race tomorrow. Is it true, Kuttan? The whole village is saying that Karur Nilikatti Pillai is going to sell one of his two boats, Sukumaran asked. Sukumaran is asking to Kuttan that the villagers are saying that the owner of these two boats, Nilikatti Pillai, is about to sell one of these boats after the race tomorrow. Is it true? Is it true? Yes, it is true. Kuttan sighed. Kuttan was not happy because the owner is going to sell one of his boats, but he said, yes, this is true. He cannot afford to keep both the Karichals anymore, so he said that whichever one loses in the race tomorrow will be sold. The owner said that both the races are going to participate in the race tomorrow, and which one comes first, I will keep that.